Complete your home gym and improve your cardio fitness with the EFITMENT T013 treadmill with Bluetooth. Walk, jog, run, and stay motivated listening to your favorite music with the built-in speakers. The Bluetooth connection eliminates the need for wires. You can also connect with the aux cable. Keep your device secure with the integrated pull-up tablet and mobile holder. The ample tread belt space allows to keep running strides efficient and comfortable. The strong, dependable motor can reach speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour. This is perfect for accomplishing low-intensity walks to higher-intensity jogs or runs. Increase calorie burn by increasing the incline. Easy adjustable manual incline can be adjusted quickly with minimal effort. Set real-time workout goals by customizing the duration, distance, and energy expenditure. The sturdy handrails have built-in heart rate sensors to stay in the zone and help gauge the intensity of your workout. Keep your treadmill workouts exciting with the 9 pre-installed interval programs. Vibrant LED console displays your workout metrics and will keep you on track. Unfolding is a breeze with the soft drop system. The space-efficient design allows for easy folding. Transportation wheels make moving simple. You owe it to yourself to get the right equipment and get the results you deserve with the EFITMENT T013 treadmill with Bluetooth.
The Bowflex Treadmill offers an incredible workout on its own, but combined with the Bowflex Journey app, you can get the most from every run. Ready for the guided tour?
Let's do this.
Bowflex Journey is a fitness-focused artificial intelligence that helps you find success by learning from your capabilities, then adjusting with an individualized experience. And with either a monthly or yearly subscription, you'll unlock everything that Bowflex Journey has to offer. Bowflex Journey provides the motivation needed to succeed with customized workouts tailored to you. Every run is accompanied by in-workout coaching and fitness tips.
All right, we're about to speed up to an easy run pace
that keep you on track and help you reach long-term success. Bowflex Journey helps you stay on track by celebrating milestones, achievements, and personal bests.
Nice!
Providing in-depth analytics and awards, helping you track speed and calories burned, and by fueling every workout with Bowflex Radio, streaming today's biggest hits, so you can work out to pop, country, hip-hop, and more. Explore the world, allowing you to tour the planet from the comfort of home, featuring locations like Death Valley, the Swiss Alps, and many more. No matter your fitness goals, a subscription to Bowflex Journey ensures that you're guided every step of the way.
Ready to pick up your pace?
Helping you lose weight, increase endurance, and remove plateaus often associated with self-guided routines. Nearly every aspect of your experience can be tailored to find the right fit for you. Looking for a smarter workout? Maximize your results with Bowflex Journey. Subscribe today.
At Soul Fitness, our philosophy is that the quality of the equipment affects the quality of the workout, so our engineers constantly improve on timeless design to provide a treadmill line that was twice awarded a Best Buy by a leading consumer magazine. To get started, simply pull the lever and the Easy Assist folding deck safely lowers in 2 stages, gently coming down from a secured upright position until it firmly rests on the floor. We've designed our treadmill with a double horseshoe frame for stability, and we've added oversized rollers and durable 2-ply belts to give them unparalleled comfort. Additionally, the Cushion Flex Whisper Deck decreases the jarring impact of the run by up to 40% and makes for a smoother, quieter workout. At Soul, we've focused on the details. Our treadmills have convenient, easy-to-reach buttons with speed and incline adjustments right on the handrails to give you control where you need it during your workout, allowing you to adjust your speed up to 12 miles per hour and your incline up to 15%. We've also added audio inputs and integrated speakers so you can listen to whatever music you choose while you exercise. Soul Fitness builds the finest treadmills available. We stand behind our treadmills with a lifetime warranty on the frame and motor. With additional warranties on the deck, electronics, and up to 2 years of labor, Soul Treadmills provide the greatest quality, longevity, and service in the market. Soul Fitness, offering the finest cardiovascular equipment on the market.
Where am I going? It's a simple question that each of us asks ourselves from time to time. But for you, the answer is simple. You are going forward. The more important question is, how far do you want to go? Introducing the XTERRA Fitness Trail Racer 600 Folding Treadmill. Whether your fitness goal is to train for an XTERRA triathlon, simply shed a few extra pounds, or to improve your cardio conditioning, your adventure begins here. The Trail Racer 600 offers a variety of programs and heart rate features that have been carefully developed to carry you to the summit of physical conditioning. You'll be able to easily monitor your trek towards success with a large blue backlit display and stay motivated along your journey by listening to your favorite tunes via the built-in speaker system. To help you navigate your workout, you'll be able to easily adjust your speed and incline with the convenient handlebar remote controls. With the ability to train at speeds up to 12 miles per hour and the ability to climb your way to an elevation of 12%, you'll be able to experience workouts tailored specifically to your abilities. A 20 by 60-inch running surface has been carefully developed with our extra soft technology to provide the cushioning and impact absorption you'll need to keep your running strong. After your workout is complete, simply fold up the treadmill with the lift assist storage system and roll away until your next workout. Built to last, the Trail Racer 600 comes with a lifetime warranty on the frame and motor, with 3 years on the deck, along with 1 year parts and in-home labor. Thanks to the Trail Racer 600 Folding Treadmill from XTERRA Fitness, the path to adventure starts at home.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.